Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This is Brittany. Like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is going to be on fermented rice water to grow your hair. Specifically, I'm going to touch on what it's like for people with my type of hair, which is a little bit damaged. I bleached it a lot, and so I'm growing it out now. I've been growing it for a really long time, and I don't know if the ends are breaking off, or I've been told my hair grows kind of slow, so I think more likely my hair is just growing slow, but I wanted to show you because I've done this a few times. So what you want to do is you want to get a glass bottle like this. Again, you want it with a plastic top so it doesn't rust. You want to get white jasmine rice, and that's really going to be important because it's going to affect the way that the water smells, which you don't want the other rice. It doesn't smell good. It's very bad. So get jasmine rice, and what you're going to do is put it in a bowl, rinse it off, and then pour that water out, and then pour the rice into a jar like this. Fill the rest up with water, and then you're going to put either lavender, rosemary, or peppermint oil inside of your little concoction. Like 10 or 12 drops is fine. That's just going to help with moisture, but it's also going to help with the smell. It doesn't smell great, but if you use this type of rice, it also doesn't smell bad. You want to use the white, long cut jasmine. I prefer lavender oil and the rosemary. I think that those smell really nice and they help my hair a little bit too. You're gonna leave it for about 3 days inside the container until you want it to be where it gets bubbly. So I'm gonna take off the cap, and I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it gets a little like weird at the top. It's not bubbling really, but I did kind of open it before, so it might be because of that. Anyway, so yeah, once it's bubbling, you know that it's ready, and what you're going to want to do is buy like an amber glass spray bottle. I just prefer the amber one so that it doesn't like look all gross in my bathroom. And then you're just going to pour this into the bottle, and you want to spray it onto your hair. I like to spray it on my hair dry so that it really coats it well. And then I leave it in for like 30 minutes. And then I really shampoo my hair well. And I literally sleep with conditioner overnight. Because if I don't, this adds so much protein to my hair that like it makes my hair like a little rough. So, I would say don't really do this unless you have time to put on the conditioner overnight or your hair is going to get a little rowdy. But otherwise, it works really nicely. And you want to kind of use it like once a week for the same reason. It's definitely like a high protein treatment as well. So not only is it going to help your hair grow, it's going to kind of restore the hair that you have with the protein, especially if you have a lot of like porosity and you've bleached your hair in the past or really lightened it a lot. I could honestly tell that my hair grew a little bit, and I used it like 4 times. I used it like twice a week for 2 weeks. In hindsight, I don't recommend. I would say do it once a week. It did make my hair a little brittle, but it actually seems to work for growth, and so I'm going to keep using it, and I will definitely do like an update. I would say another tip too is just that when I pour the rice water into the spray bottle, I just fill up the container again, and I've used this rice about 3 times, and I would say I'll go about 4 and probably won't use it again. And you're not using cooked rice, you're just rinsing the rice off before you actually use it. So I hope that this works for everyone. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried this before and if it worked for you. Thank you again for watching, and comment and subscribe.